We need to replace some light bulbs in the kitchen. Two of the bulbs on this side of the kitchen have gone out. The first one over here went out several weeks ago, and then this one over here went out about a week ago, and then I opened and closed the cabinet a couple times as I was cooking, and then the light bulb came back on. And it remained on for a day or two, then it went back out. So I'm not sure if that one is just loose or if the filament like temporarily re-welded back together and then burnt out again. These have lasted quite some time. I don't remember exactly when I got this lighting here, but I think it's been well over a year that these bulbs have been in here. I should have taken the bulbs out because a couple months ago I had some work done here in the kitchen. I had the range fan vented outside, so it was a lot of cutting and banging on the wall and so forth, and all that vibration was transferred into the light bulbs on top of the counter. So I should have taken the light bulbs out before that happened, but I just didn't think about it. I also did not take out the bulb from the range unit itself, and that bulb has survived. In fact, I'm very surprised that that bulb is still working, because this bulb encounters a lot of vibration from the fan. So that's a 100 watts equivalent halogen, so it consumes the 72 watts. And that light I actually use quite a bit. That's on very often. These ones up here, they don't run as much. Well, we probably exceeded the 1,000 hour expected lifespan by now. It's interesting to see that two of them failed at around the same time, because that would lead me to believe that the manufacturing standards are fairly consistent. Although if I find out that this one bulb is loose, then that completely negates that finding. Well, let's start with this one. Let's see what we got here. Last time I just did that and it came back. So is it loose? Nope. It's not loose at all. Well, I think potentially we have re-welded the filament for a second time. It probably will go out again soon, but due to the scarcity of the bulbs, we're going to keep going with it. Now let's move on to the one over here. I'll try shaking it a little bit to see if I can get it to come back. Maybe it will be a similar story. Nope, I think it's gone. Alright, we're going to replace this one. So this one, it's what I thought it was. It's a 43 watts equivalent halogen. It's equivalent to 60 watts. This is one of those EcoSmart ones. And curiously, this one seems to indicate that it was made in USA. Most of these I have found to be made in Hungary, which is kind of fitting for the kitchen. Halogen 650 lumens, so that would be a 60 watts incandescent equivalent, and it only consumes 43 watts. So I have another one here. This is a new box I just opened, and this one is from the Hungary, and the typing on there is so bad I can't even tell what the lumens are supposed to be. It looks like it's supposed to say 620 perhaps. I don't know. It's 43 watts, 120 volts. It's the same model bulb. I don't know what the difference is. Why the location has changed, but don't matter. We're going to put this one in. This should work because it's brand new in the box. Well, that's interesting. What gives? You're kidding. The fixture is unplugged. That's bizarre. I really can't fathom why I would have unplugged the lights. Oh man, now I think we're going to find that this other bulb might not be burnt out, and I might have just slammed this bulb on the counter a bunch of times trying to make it come back when it wasn't busted. It's just unplugged. That's ridiculous. Why on earth is this unplugged? That's baffling to me. Well, I'm going to put the original bulb back in. Let's plug this in and make sure that it's working. That is so bizarre. I really can't imagine why I would have unplugged it. Alright, the new bulb is working. And lo and behold, the old bulb is still working as well. Okay, so none of the bulbs in the kitchen have burned out. Which is kind of ironic because a couple weeks ago I was thinking about how so many of these bulbs that I put in when I bought the house, so many of these bulbs are still working. Very few I've had to replace. So I was thinking of doing a video series on bulbs that have never burned out since I bought the house. And then like a day or two after I thought about doing that is when I noticed these bulbs on top of the cabinets here started to go out. But inherently, they didn't go out. Okay, well, I'm glad that none of the bulbs is burned out and that they're all still working. But I'm very perturbed by the fact that that was unplugged, because I cannot recall doing that, nor can I think of any reason why I would have done that.